Trying to remember, guys, but I think this dozer's been on the farm about 15 years here. We've done a lot of fence row cleanup with it and ditch work. When we bought it, it had just had a brand new or a rebuilt Cummins turbo engine put in it. What's the hours on it now, Kurt? 500 something? Whatever the hours are on the meter, that's what's 521. That's what's on the engine. And the engine was basically just put in it when we bought it. And the undercarriage was done at the same time. Don't know of a thing it needs. We just put a new alternator on it last week.